Hey, good morning. Today we're in Hampshire and we're in the process of doing a roof tune-up, minor roof repairs, doing a roof rejuvenation. This homeowner here is looking to sell their home in the next 3 years, and the home behind me, it's close to 10,000 square feet of surface area for replacement. So to replace this roof, they're kind of looking at close to like $65,000 to $75,000, depending on the shingle or contractor that they choose. But a home like this, as steep as it is, we want to make sure that we take extra precautions during our roof treatment service. So we're also going to apply a rejuvenating oil to these shingles, and that oil is going to penetrate down into the shingles to allow for the shingles to last longer. We're going to get them a 5-year transferable warranty. They're looking to sell the house within the next 5 years. And so the benefit of doing all of that is that we don't have to replace the roof, and we can continue to preserve and maintain this roof. On some of the north-facing sides of the roof, that black algae mold is starting to develop. So just being proactive about all of that goes a long way. This is what we do. Roof Max of Rockford. We kind of do like a 65-mile radius around of Beloit, Wisconsin, and in helping homeowners just preserve their assets and maintaining all of their biggest investment, really their home. We're kind of like Jiffy Lube. We don't do replacements. We just continue to help you preserve and maintain. Pretty cool pond here. What you've already invested in. So, having a company to rip off all these shingles, that would be quite expensive, and it would probably be pretty life disrupting. And all this nice deck here, you'd have to tarp everything off, all the plants, and the roof is nowhere near needing to be replaced. One of the main reasons why this customer wanted us out here is because a raccoon got on the roof and started eating away at the shingles, and trying to get in, maybe lay a nest or something. So we're going to be making that roof repair so that water doesn't come in, and helping the roof to basically fulfill its own lifespan. Shingles today aren't lasting as long as we're being told, or lasting as long as you would expect the shingles to last. They're making them thinner. The asphalt in the shingle is actually drying out faster than older roofs that you might be used to. So this is what we do. Just wanted to kind of help you appreciate some of the projects we take on, and look forward to helping you out if you would like to consider seeing if your roof qualifies for our roof rejuvenation service, cleaning, power washing, and my name is Eddy, MultiMan Services, Roof Max of Rockford. Catch you later.